Good morning, it's Mia and welcome to a new video. On my channel I post Disney travel and shopping content. If that sounds like something you'd like to watch, please subscribe down below. Today is Christmas Eve and we're about to go for a winter wood walk. Today I'm wearing this white top with this red tartan skirt and I'm going to go and put some boots on. So we've just arrived at Worden Park and we're going to go for a little walk around. It's so lovely and peaceful here. So we've just walked through the wooded area and now we're going to go into the maze. So we just got over to the maze and it's locked. We can't get in, so change of plan, we're just going to carry on walking. We are back home from our walk and the first thing that I did was come and check that all of the footage is here. Luckily it is, but when we were on the walk I had some message come through on my camera to say that if you recover lost data then it could end up removing some of your files. So I was worried that all of this would be gone, but it's fine, it's all here. We're just outside for the 6 PM Christmas jingle. finished gingerbread houses. It's Christmas morning. I feel incredibly fortunate to have so many amazing family and friends that have gotten me lovely gifts, so thank you so much.
See you later. Bye.
We've just finished FaceTiming family, so now we're going to eat Christmas dinner. We've just been messing around and testing Neve's Polaroid camera, and now we're going to eat some party food for tea. While we ate our tea, we watched an hour of the new Pixar movie Soul that has just come out on Disney Plus today, and I'm really liking it so far. And then we played our new game Colour Brain, and I won first place. We've had a really lovely day, even though we haven't been in person with family. And I hope that all of you watching have had a Merry Christmas, despite the circumstances that we're in this year. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Have a magical day!